Hello students, this is Sure Success Classes. In this session, we are going to learn a new topic as you can see on the board, that is nothing but profit, loss and discount. This topic is important from academics as well as competitive exam point of view. If you go through the question paper of any competitive exam, then you will come across minimum 2 to 3 questions are from this topic. This topic consists of various basic but important terminologies. These terms are cost price, selling price, then profit, loss, profit percentage, loss percentage, discount and margin. So let's go through these terminologies one by one. Let's learn these terms one by one. First is cost price. In short, we can write this is as C dot P. I will try to explain this concept with the help of an example. If I am shopkeeper and I am selling pens, at that time I will purchase these pens at lower rate and will sell them at higher rate. The rate at which I purchase these pens is nothing but cost price. I hope now the concept of cost price is clear. Next term is selling price. In short, we can write it as SP. The rate which is available or mentioned on the product is nothing but selling price, or in other words we can say the rate at which the product is purchased by customer is nothing but selling price. For this we will take an example. If I want to purchase this notebook, for that the rate is mentioned here ₹20, means after paying 20 rupees I can buy this notebook. Next term is profit. This term is related to first term cost price and second term selling price. This term is somewhat difficult, but we will make it simple with an example. Suppose I am shopkeeper and I bought this pen at rupees say 5 and I am going to sell this pen at rupees 10. Means here 5 rupees is my cost price and rupees 10 is my selling price, and here I am gaining something. 10 minus 5 means this 5 rupees is my, what is this 5 rupees? This is my profit. Means whenever we are gaining something, at that time we are having profit. You should keep in mind, whenever we are gaining something, at that time we are having profit. Let's move to next concept, that is nothing but loss. For that we will take an example. If I bought this pen at rupees 10 and I am going to sell it at lower rate at rupees say 8. Here rupees 10 is my cost price and rupees 8 is my selling price. So here I am getting or gaining something? No, I am losing here. 10 minus 8 means I am losing here my 2 rupees. This 2 rupees is nothing but my loss. So whenever we are not gaining something or we are losing our amount, at that time we are having loss. Let's learn profit percentage and loss percentage. These both terms are calculated on cost price. First we will see profit percentage. For that we will take an example. If I bought this chocolate bar at rupees 10 and I sold it at rupees 20, means my cost price is 10 and selling price is 20. Here 20 minus 10 means I am gaining 10 rupees more than my cost price. This is nothing but my profit, and if I want to calculate this profit in terms of percentage, at that time the formula will be profit divided by cost price. It is always calculated on cost price, and here we will multiply this by or with 100. We are multiplying profit by cost price with 100 because we want to calculate our profit in terms of percentage. So the formula will be profit by cost price into 100. So here our profit in percentage will be 10 rupees is our profit. Cost price is also 10 rupees and multiplied by 100. 0 zeros cancels out and 10 into 10 100% means here I am getting 100% profit. If we look at for the loss percentage, at that time, for that we will take another example. If I bought this notebook at rupees 20 and I sold it at rupees 10, here 20 is my cost price and I am selling it at lower rate at rupees 10, means here rupees 10 is my loss. And if I want to calculate in terms of percentage, at that time formula will be loss, it is always calculated on cost price and multiplied with 100. We are calculating it in the terms of percentage, so here we are multiplying this ratio by 100. So for this example, loss percentage will be, loss is 10 rupees, my cost price is 20 multiplied with 100. 0 0 cancel out, 1 is 2 means 50, means here we are having loss in percentage 50%. Let's try to understand this concept with some practical problems. The question given is, an article bought for rupees 120 and is sold for rupees 150. Find the gain or loss percent. If you observe this question, here we have to first find out either gain or loss is there, and then we will go for gain percent or loss percent. So first we will find out either gain or loss is there. Here article bought for rupees 120 means this is our cost price. It is equal to 120 rupees 120 and is sold for rupees 150. So selling price is rupees 150. If you observe here selling price is greater than cost price. So are we having loss or profit? Yes, obviously we are having here profit, and the formula for to find out profit is nothing but SP minus CP. Rupees 150 minus rupees 120. So 30 rupees is our profit. We have to find out this profit in terms of percentage. So let's go for it. We know the formula to find out profit percent. It is profit divided by on which price we find out profit. Yes, it is always on cost price multiplied by 100. Here our profit is rupees 30 and cost price is 120 multiplied by 100. 3 4s are 12 and 2 5 means our profit in terms of percentage is 25%. So in this case, the profit in terms of percentage is 25%. Let's solve next question. First we will understand this question. A bicycle bought for rupees 600 is sold for rupees 550. Find gain or loss percent. Here bicycle bought for rupees 600 means this is the cost price. 600 rupees 600 and is sold for rupees 550. This is the selling price. Here bicycle is bought at higher rate and it is sold at lower rate. So naturally here we are having loss, and we will find out this loss by this formula CP minus SP. 600 minus 550. So we are having loss rupees 50. This is loss and we have to find out this loss in terms of percentage. So let's find out, and the formula for loss percent is loss divided by cost price. We will always find out profit or loss on cost price. Multiplied by 100. Loss is rupees 50. Our cost price is 600 multiplied by 100. Zeros cancels out. Here 225 to 3 6 25 divided by 3. We will find out it in terms of mixed fraction. 3 8s are 25 and 1 remaining, means loss in percentage is 8 and 1 by 3%. This appeal is to students as well as their parents. To support our channel, kindly subscribe our channel, and if you like the videos of Sure Success classes, kindly share these videos with your friends, and if you have any query or suggestion, kindly mention in comment box.